now to the weather today. Meteorologist Steve Fundaro joins us.
Steve, that wind is still blowing out there. It's still going.
Yeah,
bad hair days all around.
I know. I had a little extra pomade in there. And you know what else is helpful for volume? I've learned, ladies?
What is
water.
that?
Oh, yes, please.
Yeah, hop in the ocean.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for the tip.
Grips. Totally kidding. Oh, we have a lot of breeze out there still, though. Winds gusting around that 25, 30 miles an hour. But it is starting to back off a little bit, which is nice. It did help create the clear skies we saw today. Some of that chilly air is getting kind of pumped in from the west. We will see a few high clouds drift into the region overnight tonight as temperatures will be dropping down into the 30s. And what was fun to see on the satellite radar, or excuse me, just the satellite earlier today, let's let this load up here, are the gravity waves that developed over the Appalachians, the mountains to our west. You see these like lines and these ripples, so to speak, tends to happen when you have cooler air coming in, bouncing over the mountains to our west. It's kind of like when you're driving in the car and you hit a speed bump or you hit a pothole, you got to bump up and then you bump down, and you bump up and then you bump down, you just a little bit like a ripple effect. But they're in the atmosphere, there's a little layer, there's a threshold where clouds could form. So when the air comes crashing over that bump and it rises, forms a cloud. But then as it falls back down, you dissipate that cloud and then it bumps back up and you got another cloud and then it falls back down and it bumps back up and you got another cloud. And then it creates like rows of clouds, so to speak. We call those gravity waves or gravity clouds. Really cool to see, especially off towards the west when you get that cooler air coming over the mountains. It does set up a chilly night tonight with those temperatures dropping into the 30s. Refreshing tomorrow with temps in the 50s and a lot of sunshine, and then another round of rain and wind on the way Friday night into Saturday.